Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look on the gold market. Price here is still standing in the downward retracement. We said that theoretically this drop could be a bit longer, so maybe market will not limit this retracement by just a harmonic swing that it already has been done. So you can see this line has been cloned and dragged to this point, its previous top, and its drop already has been completed right to the weekly pivot point. We have talked about this yesterday. Meantime, this downward action was rather strong, so reversal here takes the shape of the reversal candle, because here market has established a new top but closed below the lows of the previous session. Usually this kind of action takes the continuation and the kind of the ABC reaction on intraday charts. That's why my suggestion is that we still could get some dropping to the next level. This is weekly pivot support 1 and 1318 fib support. This is possible, maybe even lower, so I do not know how situation will develop, but the overall situation here and the scenarios, the patterns that we have on intraday charts that we will discuss right now suggest that indeed some kind of the compounding retracement here is possible, even maybe to the 13 even area. It's also possible. But at the same time, in a larger scale, even retracement to the 13 even, or even maybe to the 1280 area, this major 618 support, will not change and will not destroy the longer term bullish situation where we have actually bullish grabber on the monthly chart. And this pattern suggests the taking out of the 1357 top. That's why currently we should treat this action, despite how strong it will be, maybe to the 13 even area, we should treat it still as a retracement. So that's why maybe if you're even dealing with this retracement on the short side and you're trading short, keep in mind that mostly for the day traders, this retracement is the chance to take the long position on a better price. That's what we're watching for here on the daily chart. On the intraday chart, guys, what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart today, we could keep an eye on possible bearish grabber that could be formed here, because market is coming closer to the MACD predictor line, and appearing of the grabber will give more confidence that another leg down here is possible. This is also, and actually market could lead us right to some kind of a neckline, or anyway, it will be around 1314 area. And the same picture stands, approximately the same scenario could be seen on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, if you're a scalp trader, you could keep an eye on this pattern, regardless people to sell. And if our suggestion will be correct, and indeed if market will complete it and will form the bearish grabber on the 4-hour time frame chart, in this case, grabber will suggest the taking out of these lows. That in turn could lead to the appearing of this larger ABCD pattern with the completion point OP target right at the 1314. If you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that 1814 is precisely at the neckline of this potential hand shoulders pattern, right? So you can see in general, overall combination of the patterns looks fascinating and interesting, so they correspond to each other, and it's definitely the subject to keep an eye on. But that's mostly suitable for the scalp traders who trade on intraday charts, who make the trades on these owlish setups, something of that sort. But for the daily traders, guys, whatever retracement will be, even this ABCD to the 13, 14, or maybe later if it will be kind of the large large ABCD based on the hand shoulders to the 13 even confidence support on the daily, that still will be retracement, and this will be the chance for taking long position at the better price. But of course, it's not forbidden to trade it on the intraday charts. This downward action, if you have the skills, if you have the confidence with that, and you know how to do this, so definitely you could do. That's just the patterns that I see, and I show you. Maybe this will be useful for you in your own trading, your own trading plan for today's session.